President's Bodyguard is the oldest cavalry regiment in the Indian Army. It has a 252-year-old illustrious history. I am in the regiment now, inside, and you can see a horse is being trained here by its trainer. And this, of course, is the stable which has seen the history of India's President's Bodyguard, the most elite force in the Indian Army. I have with me Colonel Amit Berwal, who is the commandant of the President's Bodyguard Regiment. Welcome to NDTV. Thank you so much. Of course, we are very keen to know. We have seen these horses in most majestic parades in the past. But the first question, of course, is how do you train a horse to take part in majestic parades?
See, training a horse for the ceremonial parade is a deliberate process. First, we need to identify a horse who meets the requirement of height, minimum 157 centimeters, and thereafter temperament. The horse must be calm and quiet. He should have the confirmation, as in the specifications of what a horse must look like in these parades, like a fit athlete, and thereafter a deliberate training process to firstly train the horse in terms of primary gaits, yani chal, and thereafter work with the ceremonial gaits. So it takes about a year and a half to get a young horse to be able to do parades with the PPG.
So all these horses that we see here now are of different age and they are being trained now. They are in different stages of training.
Okay, once the primary training is over, thereafter only reaffirmation is required on a daily basis or a periodic basis. So the young horses undergo a rather deliberate training schedule, and the fully trained horses are only rehearsed for the purpose of their health and the purpose of the parade which they must undertake.
So this is Virat, the senior most horse in the Indian Army.
Yes, we have Virat here, who is 25 years old and is the senior most horse of the army as on deck.
Right, senior most. So how many parades he has taken part of?
Virat retired in 2022 after having successfully undertaken 13 Republic Day parades.
Right. Right. And which is the youngest horse?
So I may not be able to say which is the youngest
but then
horse.
there is a horse behind you. This is Glorious, is it? This is Glorious.
That is glorious.
That is Glorious. And these are ready.
These are
baits.
fully
Can you
trained
just
horses.
explain
Yes.
the significance of the special bait that is now fixed on this?
See, this is bit PBG. This is a ceremonial bit which only the President's Bodyguard uses. This is Bagdog. This implement here is called Sineband. And this is a ceremonial saddle which is fit on the horse.
Right.
An average bodyguard horse will be fitted like this for the troopers who take part in ceremonial parades.
Right. So apart from the name, they also have a designation?
No, they do not have a designation. They have a remount number. Like in any organization, there is an employee number. We have an army number. So horses have got a remount number which is specific to the horse.
How many horses are there in this stable?
We have close to 100 horses in these stables.
100 horses. And how many men to manage them and
Around 200.
Around 200. And one last thing, the Republic Day parade will take place in January next year. Has the preparation started, or after some time you will start?
Yes, our staff checks and preparation for the Republic Day parade have begun. Identification of the horses and the troops who will take part in this parade has been completed. We generally undertake a 40-45 day rehearsal and preparatory period from mid-December onwards, which the timeline is right on track now. This is Vikrant, is a young horse, he's 5 years old, and as you can see, he is very eager and more than friendly. So with this temperament, the horse cannot go on parade. So he has to become a mature horse from an over-friendly horse. That will take some time, and we will train him. And possibly in a year or two, you might find this horse taking part in a big parade like the Republic Day.
2027?
Possibly, yes. Possibly, yes.
But it is showing affection to you.
Yes. See, in the PBG, we have a special bond with the horse. And if the horse is not threatened by your presence, he will try to come close to you. The horse is an animal of prey. He doesn't have teeth to bite and kill, nor does he have claws to hurt you. It's totally dependent on the rider for his safety. If a horse is willing to come this close to me, I take it that he is feeling very safe with me, which is very good for me as Commander President's bodyguard.
So all these trainers that are here with different horses, every horse has a different trainer?
All horses do not have different trainers. All horses have different riders. The specialist troops do the training.
Do the training. But they have an emotional bonding with the horse.
Yes, yes. Same is the case with the horses. We have a bond with the horses, and the horses also have a bond with us. It's a lifelong thing. They are very intelligent animals. The kind of time and effort we put in looking after horses is something similar to what we do to our own children.
Right. And one last question. The symmetry, the magnificent symmetry that we see in the Republic Day Parade, how much training is required actually to actually attain that level of symmetry that we see in the Republic Day Parade?
An average rider who takes part in the Republic Day Parade has minimum 8 years of service as a President's bodyguard. So the Jawan who you see on parade has got 8 years of riding experience and ceremonial training minimum before we put him through the 26th January exposure. Because that is the kind of excellence which is expected out of a rider who takes part on this ceremony.
Right. And one last thing that we just wish to know, there is a training now going on here. There is a trainer and there is a horse here behind me in this table. What exactly the training is being imparted?
The horse is being lunged, he is being exercised on a long rope.
Right.
And if you see, he has got beautiful front quarters and hind quarters. He's got a good back. The skin is glowing. It's a healthy horse. His name is Vardhan, and he will certainly take part in the 26th January parade next year.
And how much training is given to them every day? I mean, how long you train a horse every day?
It depends on what stage of training the horse is. If it is a young horse, he will be conditioned. If it is a trained horse, then he'll be ridden for some time in terms to give him exercise. So every day morning, the President bodyguard rides for about an hour or so, in which the horses are exercised at least for 30 minutes.
And once they retire, you take care of them, or are they transported to some other facility?
So once a horse is not worthy of parades anymore, generally about 18 years, 20 years, the horse is thereafter conditioned and sent to Remount and Veterinary Corps depots, where the horse stays his residual life very comfortably and is not made to do any parade or is not ridden.
And health is measured constantly.
Yes, they are looked after. There are veterinary doctors available, veterinary units available who look after these horses.
And this last thing I wish to know, how different are these horses from the normal horses that we see in India, and in terms of, are they being bred specially for joining the President's bodyguard?
See, the army horses are purpose-bred horses by the army. They have the best traits of horses which are meant for military purpose. We need horses who have a nice stature, who should be more muscular, tall, who should have a temperament for these duties which are very long duration duties, which require the animal and the rider to stay still for very long periods without creating ruckus. Like you saw the young horse being very friendly and peppy. So that horse will mature up in time with exposure and training, and thereafter be parade worthy. So it's a deliberate effort. These horses are bred by the Indian Army.
Thank you very much, Colonel Amit Behrman, for this important opportunity. Thank you very
Most
much.
welcome.
So, in President's Bodyguard Regiment, with my camera colleague Kamal Kant, Himanshu Shekhar for NDTV.